Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to clear public profile on Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now to clear your public profile on Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to clear your public profile. And from over here guys, at the top left corner of the screen, you can see your Bitmoji icon just beside this magnifying glass or the search icon. Tap on your Bitmoji icon guys, and over here you'll be over here on the profile section of your account. Either you can go to the my public profile over here to clear your public profile, or you can go to the settings page. Either way, you will be landing on the same page, but we will be going to the settings page that is at the top right corner of the screen. You can see the settings icon. Tap on it and scroll down from over here where you can see the public profile settings, and there is your name. Tap on it. Scroll down to the bottom of the list and there is the clear public profile option available for us. Tap on it and you can see guys, everything you've added to your public profile will be deleted with your bio, profile picture, stories. And with that information, let's tap on clear, and then your public profile will be cleared. And there guys, this is how you clear your public profile. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.